Let's now go ahead and create the My Listings page. So what I'll do is I'll close a few of these tabs and let's go back to Structure, Views, and then click on Add View. And we'll call this view My Listings, and we'll create a page, and let's just change the path so that it is user/user/my-listings. And let's change the display format to table. And let's just change the of type dropdown to listing, so it only displays listings. And I think that is okay for now. So click on Save and Edit. And let's have a look at our table below. Okay, perfect. It is only displaying the listings. So let's scroll up and have a look at our mockup. So the title needs to be My Listings. We've already got that. Let's go ahead and add in the columns. So we have a few columns to add in. So click on Add in the Fields section and then search for logo and then add that one in. And then from the Formatter dropdown, select Thumbnail. And then from Image Style, select Thumbnail and then click on Apply. And then if we have a look in the preview, we can see the actual logo. And let's click on Add again and let's have a look at our mockup. And we need to add in published and listing categories, created, updated, and links. Okay, so we have a few fields to add in. So search for published and then make sure you select published from the content category and click on Add. And then from the output format, select yes/no and then click on Apply. Click on Add again in the field section, and then this time search for listing categories. There it is, and click on Add. And let's uncheck link label to the referenced entity. And click on Add again in the field section, and this time we'll add the authored on field, which is the actual creator date. And make sure you select authored on from the content category and click on Add. And then from the date format, select HTML date format, click on Apply, and click on Authored On again, and we need to change the label to Created. And then click on Apply. Now let's add in the changed date. I think it's changed, is it? Yes, it is. So make sure you select Changed from the content category, and then click on Add. And we'll change the label to Updated. And then from the date format dropdown, select HTML date format, and then click on Apply. Let's have a look at our table. And the only thing left to do is add in the links column. So let's do that now. Scroll all the way to the top, click on Add again in the field section, search for Operations Links, click on Add, and then just change the label to Links, and then click on Apply. Perfect. Now we need to reorder a few things. The only column we need to change is the title column. So let's rearrange the fields. So click on the down arrow in the fields section, click on Rearrange, and then just move title so that it's below logo, and then click on Apply. And then click on Save. Okay, so now let's create a tab for this view. So to do that, click on the No Menu link, select Menu tab, and let's add in the title of My Listings, and then make sure you select User Account Menu as the parent, and then set 10 as the weight, and then click on Apply. So let's have a look at our mockup again. Let's add in the Create Listing link here. So to do that, click on Add in the header area, search for text, and then add in the text area field. And all we need to do is create an anchor tag. So let's just go ahead and create one. So put in an href, and let's link it to /node/add/listing. Oh, sorry, no, I think it's listing. And then let's call this create listing. And then let's just close it off. And then here we can see our link and click on add in the filter criteria section, search for title, and let's make this exposed. And from the operator dropdown, select contains, and then click on apply, and then click on save. Okay, so we're slowly getting there. Let's now test this out. And let me go to the actual user profile page, and I should see my listings. Great. Okay, so here I can see all of the listings. Now let's add in a contextual filter, which will only display listings owned by this user profile. So let's go back to our view and then click on advanced and then click on add in the contextual filter area. Search for authored by, and then click on add. And from this field set, select show page not found if the filter value is not in the URL, and then scroll down and then check specify validation criteria. And from the validator dropdown, select user ID, and then make sure you check validate user has access to the user. And then from the access operation to check, select edit. And then click on apply. This will make sure that only users who have edit access to the user profile can view the My Listings page. Okay, so I think we are done. So now if we click on save and then refresh, I should only see 4 listings. Perfect. And if I go to the other user accounts and click on, say, contributor 2 and contributor 1. So let me have a quick look and click on my listings. Cool. I can only see 2 listings here. And then if I go to contributor 1 and then go to their My Listings page, I can see 2 other listings. Okay, perfect.